I just wanted to share a really useful online tool for parents. Oxford Owl is offering lots and lots of free activities for parents. You may need to start an account, but it's a free account. But it just gives you access then to everything that's on there. So I've actually registered with them. And this is my dashboard. This is what comes in first. And I'm going to show you what's online for parents, the top free resources, resources for parents. And you can choose activities by age. And they've got lots and lots of ebooks have been added. There's also top tips from the blog, so learning to read at home, buying yourself some time, helping your child to learn. There's also then activities set by different ages. So I'm going to browse the Year 1 activities. And as you can see, there's lots and lots of activities here for them to work through. I'm just going to go back again now. And this is a great one for Year 1s, and they've got them then for Year 2, Year 3. And it's the spelling list of words that they should be able to spell by the end of Year 1. So this is a really handy thing for you to use. Just going to close that down now. Then there's fun activities for 4-year-olds if you look at kids activities at the top. So I'm now going to have a little look at reading, and I'm going to look at phonics. It tells you then about how phonics are taught and word reading, letters and sounds, comprehension, common reading issues. They've got some great videos on how to say the sounds correctly for them. We use these sounds in class. So, as I say, there's lots and lots to explore. Kids' activities, we'll have a little look at that. Let's have a look at creative writing. And it's giving them some ideas there. And this is probably slightly old for my class, but some activities then for them to start writing their own stories. And I'm going to go back to home. My computer thinks I'm working a little bit fast for it, I think, at the moment. And have a little look at the phonics guide. Oh, that's the one I've been on. Sorry. Let's go back again. So on the home page, under reading, have a look at phonics, and I'm going to direct you to the Read Write Ink support. And if you scroll down, there's some great for the younger children and any child that's struggling with their letter formation. There's My Set 1 Speed Sounds book. And if you open that, it will, there's the button down there, it tells you all about the different sounds, and they can write, can I do it on, oh there we are, I must be honest, don't judge me, but they can actually write on the screen. But it gives you an idea then of how you could be helping them in the house. They could be writing these in their own books rather than on the screen, because let me tell you, I'm looking slightly illiterate on screen. But they could trace over the top of them. As I say, it's quite tricky using a mouse. If they were on a tablet, that might be easier. So there's lots and lots of ideas there. There are practice sheets then that download as a PDF. So if there was a particular sound that they were struggling to write, that's a great place to go. Back on the home page again, there's a free ebook library. So if you browse the ebooks and choose whichever age your child is, just a word of caution for this, not all children at the moment are reading at their age. So let them read anything. Just let them have a little try with anything. So you can browse by age, you can browse by series. In school we use Oxford Reading Tree. So they can choose one off here. Just click on it. And then you can read the book on screen. Now this is a lovely discussion book. So for nursery children who haven't started the reading process yet, this is perfect because they get to learn about what stories are like, what telling a story is like. So you would sort of say to them, so what we would be looking at is one day Biff, Chip and Floppy and Mammy went to the park. They watched a lady throwing a stick for her dogs. To start with, you will need to model this for them because they're not going to know how to do this straight away. So you're trying to encourage them to think about story language and to look at all the details that are happening in the pictures. So then, if you wanted to go up a level, Oxford level, so if they're currently reading Oxford level 3, there we go, there's some books there for them to choose from. So once again, this is all free. So then they can read it on the screen. You could encourage them to point, if they're reading it on a tablet, point with their finger or point with a mouse on the computer. There's different activities then to do as well. So please don't worry about the fact that you've got to sign in and log into it because it is a free account. You can also buy some stories then for 98p. There's lots and lots on this. So let's have a little look what's under maths. They can do their times table. Oh, look at this, telling the time, mental arithmetic. Obviously for these then you're looking, luckily enough we don't have to do BODMAS in foundation phase, but there's lots of maths games as well. Maths activities. So let's have a little look at this activity. I'll tell you what, we'll do this one. This is ordering the trees from size. So you're going to put them in the right order. Let's hope I can do this. So if you do it incorrectly, let's see what happens. Oh, 3 out of 5. So he's telling us which ones are incorrect. Some great activities on there. Please, if you're looking for something to do, have a little look at this. And any problems, just give us a shout. Don't forget, we're here to help. Take care. Bye.